In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Dragon's Dogma 2 in PC. So Dragon's Dogma 2 is set in a seamless open world that is 4 times larger than the map in the first game, and is a parallel world to that of a previous title. The world is split between 2 major kingdoms populated with humans, the cat-like beast prince, and elves. So in order to download this game, first of all you need to open any browser in your system, and then you're gonna type into the search box for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you can just go with the top link, and then you will be redirected to the Steam website. If you see at the right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. So you're gonna type in here the name of your game in this search box, which is Dragon's Dogma 2. After that, you should be able to see here your game, Dragon's Dogma 2, so you can click on that. And once you are here, you need to scroll down until you find different versions. So you can just click on Add to Cart on the version which you want to get. And once you do so, you can click on View My Cart. If you want to remove any unnecessary items from your cart, you can click on Remove. Once you have done that, you can click on Continue to Payment. After that, they will ask you to sign in into your account. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you can scroll down and then click on Create an Account. Once you do so, you can just follow on-screen instructions to create your Steam account. And once you have done that, you can just type in here your account name and then your password. Then you can click on Sign In. After that, you need to paste here the code which you have received to the email attached to your Steam account. And first of all, you can just select the payment method, that how you want to pay, and then you can type in here your payment information. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, this game will be purchased and added to your Steam account. To see all of the games in your Steam account, you're going to scroll up back and then click on the Steam logo on the upper side of your screen to go back to the home page of Steam. Once you are here, you're going to move your cursor to your username, and then you should be able to see here this drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you're going to click on Games. After that, you should be able to see here all of your games, so you can just scroll down to find the specific game which you want to download. Like for this one, you need to find Dragon's Dogma 2, and once you have found that, you can just click on Download. Once you do so, the game will start downloading into your device.